Hi, LindaBauwin here from StampingWithLinda.com, your cardiologist since 1997, helping you create cards from the heart. Today is another just quick tip video on a fun way to show off the designer series paper from the Gather Together suite. It is called Come Together, and what I have done is first off, I have already cut out, this is from the Petal Labels die, and I cut out this nice little label. It's kind of got a fun design with the pretty peacock, and then I also did the vanilla oval that goes inside. That comes with the die set. But what we're going to do is we are going to take our designer series paper. I cut this at 4 inches by 10.5. That way I can get 3 of these cards from one sheet of designer series paper. Now, one thing about it is that when I do this type of card and it has a print like this, it's right this way, but on the back side it would be upside down. Not only would I cut it to the 4 inch to get 3 cards, then that way I can kind of hide that back of that card against my quarter sheet of cardstock. So this measures 4 1/4 by 5.5, the pretty peacock. So I've got that for the backing. It also stiffens it up. Now, because I've got my print on the inside, I have a piece of Very Vanilla. This measures 3 3/4 by 5, and I'm just going to put that on the inside of my card so that I'm able to write. But when you do a card like this, then you get to see both sides of that paper. Just absolutely love it. This card is super simple because now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that Petal label die. I'm going to place that down here. I have that little oval, and I am going to grab my pretty peacock ink pad. This is one of the new in colors, and speaking of the in colors, we can finally order the whole collection of in colors because that purple posy is now available. I have stamped that Gather Together. That is part of the stamp set, Gather Together, and I'm just going to cut a piece of the excess along my small dimensionals, so it's a little bit longer, and it'll just give me some height to that greeting. So how quick and easy is that? You can do a lot of cards with the designer series paper. Like I said, you would get 3 cards from each sheet. So if you bought a pack of designer series paper and got 12 sheets, you would do 36 cards very quickly. Hope you've enjoyed today's tip, and you join me again real soon. Bye-bye.